Hello everyone, welcome back. I don't know about the rest of you, but I am so excited about spring. I've been dragging out all my spring decor, going through it all. There's things that I forgot I even had, especially in my florals. I do have quite the selection of florals. In fact, I think I may need an intervention in the future, but I've just been enjoying pulling all those florals out and seeing what I have. And there's something about the change of the seasons that really transforms your space and makes it all fresh and new again. And speaking of new, if you're new here, I'm Jennifer. Cory and I are so very happy to have you here with us on our channel. If you love things like DIY home decor and vintage, antique, and thrift shopping, also home decorating, then you are definitely in the right place. I can't wait to share my little twist on spring decorating this year. I've just truly been loving the more moodier tones, and I'm going to be bringing those in with my florals and my pillows and just giving a different take on spring this year. So I hope you'll all enjoy this. And if anything that I'm using today is not something that you would typically decorate with as far as color or maybe design or style, just know that you can always swap out things for the things that you love. And honestly, that's what our channel really is all about, is decorating with the things that bring you joy and the things that you love into your home and to make your home feel more like you. As always, I love hearing from you all, so drop me a comment below. Let me know what you truly enjoyed most about today's video. I love hearing from you. Now, I cannot wait to showcase my take on spring decorating this year. So come along, join me as I decorate our living room. Before we begin spring decorating, I wanted to show you all the new picture we bought for our living room. I love landscape art, and the moody tones really add something to this otherwise bare wall. I showcased this art in our DIY video since I did add some embellishment to the frame. In case you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it linked in the description box below. Now, this lamp isn't new, but it is an item that never leaves this space. This has to be one of my favorite DIY projects of all time. I don't think you would ever know that this was originally just a gray vase that we transformed into a lamp, and the new picture works so well with it. To begin our spring decorating, I'm starting with our media cabinet. And I love these burgundy tulips I bought from Amazon. They add that moodiness I'm loving, and yet it still brings that feel and look of spring. I did add in some additional lighter tulips I had on hand just to give it a more arranged look. I'm adding this candle I found online from a store called Nella Moon. They are made right here in Tennessee, and I love this scent. They have some really pretty selections to choose from, so I'll leave a link to their store just in case you are interested. One last item is this pretty iron candle snuffer I found on Amazon. I love the pretty detail it has, and even better, it's a useful tool to have in your decor. Next, I'm going to freshen up our coffee table with some pretty spring decorations. I'm adding this coffee table book because it has that same deep, rich burgundy tone that my tulips have. By placing it here, it will bring that color over to this part of the living room. These candle holders are another one of my all-time favorite DIY projects Cory and I have done. They are a dupe for a much more expensive designer pair from Pottery Barn, and I absolutely love them. Now, I have two options for you all to give me some feedback on for this coffee table styling. Please let me know which you prefer in the comments below. This first option is going to be a more minimalistic option with less decor pieces. Now, this glass vessel was found at one of our local thrift stores, and I have truly been getting so much use out of it. I'm opting for this creamy white florals with just a hint of yellow, since it will be bringing in some of the yellow color into our dining room, which you'll see here in an upcoming video. And I always love to bring birds into my decorating, especially for spring and summer. This little vintage brass bird is so pretty and adds a touch of whimsy. For our second option, I'm going to add more to the existing decorations to give a maximalist style. Again, let me know which is your favorite in the comments below. To the decor, I'm adding this book riser to the coffee table. I bought this off of Amazon and I love it. It's easy to put together and stores flat so that it doesn't take up much room. I don't know about all of you, but I truly value my storage space. I bought this coffee table book last year and I really do love it. There is so many wonderful ideas for florals, from arranging them to gardening. It's a really lovely book. It also gives you ideas for each of the seasons, not just spring and summer. It's also from Amazon, and I will leave all of these items that I can linked in the description box below. I'm going to keep my pillows mostly light in color, except for a punch of that burgundy to really tie the whole space together. Pillows are such a great and inexpensive way to add color and texture to your home. If you're looking to change things up for the season but don't want to buy a bunch of decor, just by simply changing out your pillows, you can give your space a new and fresh look and feel. To our sweet little DIY side table here next to the chair, I'm going to add this marble tray. I wanted to keep the decor I'm adding grouped, and using trays can really help to corral them even on smaller tabletops. Now to the tray, I'm adding this lighter colored vase and some spring stems. To add more of that Moody burgundy color, I'm using a few more of those pretty tulips I added to the other side of the room. And I think this sweet little bunny is just the final touch this vignette needed for spring. Please don't forget to leave me a comment below as to which coffee table style is your favorite. Option 1, a more minimal style, or option 2, a more maximal style. Well, that wraps up my spring refresh here for our living room. I have just enjoyed this so much, and it's been such a joy to share it with all of you. I want to let you all know too that we love hearing from you all week after week. You really do brighten my day, and I love learning about all of you and the things that you love to style with, because then it helps me create the content that you're all interested in watching so that I can bring you back to our channel week after week. And if you're new here and you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. So please do hit that subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to turn on that bell notification and do select all so that you will not miss any of our future content. We want to wish you all an amazing week ahead, and we will see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.